And I wanted to show you guys today a funny, weird drink I found, and it's this little stuff right here. Turn it around. It's hot ginger ale. Go figure, right? And it's made by Canada Dry. If you're familiar with drinks in Japan, you know that there's lots of hot drinks that we have for winter months, and this was a new one that I saw, and I thought, oh my gosh, I have to try that because I love ginger ale, and I'm curious to see what it tastes like. So I was going to show you guys here what it is. The can's really hot. I have to be careful. I'm going to burn myself. So let me open it here. I shouldn't be shaking it so much. It's supposed to be still carbonated. Yeah, so this is the can here, and you can see it's, I got it at 7-Eleven. There's a little stamp sticker there. And, see here how it tastes. I don't know if it's going to be good or not, but I'm trying to do this with my left hand. Made a good loud noise there when I opened it. Okay, well, let's give it a try and see what it tastes like. Hold on. So here's the drink. I'm going to give it a try here and see what it tastes like, you guys. Weird. They're like bubbles in your nose. It's so strange. Tastes good though. Tastes like ginger ale. Hot. But with like more spice to it because it's hot. I don't know. If you leave it in your mouth too long, it makes like bubbly feeling all the way up into your sinuses. Maybe that's a good thing, right? So,